Hello everyone, this is Adam for RealHomeRecording.com, and this is your 3 minutes mixing tip. Put a limiter on your master channel. Yeah, seriously. Put the limiter set to negative 0.3. I'm going to bring the threshold down to negative 10 because I don't like to peak past 10. And this will let us hear closer to what our speakers sound like when this mix is going to be finished. The reason I like to do this is because if you have your levels way too low, they're going to sound wrong when they're limited a little bit. Speakers tend to sound different at different volume levels, so I want to know what they're going to sound like when that last limiter's on. Now, when you go to mix down, take the limiter off because we're going to use the extra volume that you didn't have to do EQing and other things during the mastering process. So try it. If you don't like it, don't do it, but it's something to try. The other thing you could do is to put a limiter on towards the end of the mixing after you've gotten everything pretty much balanced and you want to hear what it sounds like, and then you can make some final tweaks. More often than not, I'll do it that way and not start mixing with the limiter on at the very beginning, but more like halfway to 75% the way through the mixing. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com.